A correctional officer now finds herself on the other side of the law. 29-year-old Tiffany Cheely was arrested following a drug raid at her home. Her boyfriend, 32-year-old Arturo Marshall, who police say is a known drug dealer, was also arrested during a simultaneous raid. 41 NBC's Elaine Rackley explains how it all went down.
This is where GEO Riverbend Correctional Officer Tiffany Cheely works as she guards prison inmates. But now Cheely is in the Baldwin County Jail along with her boyfriend Arturo Marshall. Okmulgee Task Force Commander Wesley Nunn says the arrest is the result of a 3-month undercover investigation and adds arresting a fellow officer didn't sit well with him.
Well, it's very disturbing. Anytime we arrest anyone in law enforcement or in a correctional field, someone that's supposed to be out there that knows the law, knows what they're protecting inside the prison system, and then violate the law like this, and it's no excuse for it. It really gives us a bad name in law enforcement.
2 teams made up of Milledgeville police and task force agents raided Cheely's home at 1224 West Charlton Court Tuesday. There, police found marijuana, crack cocaine, hydrocodone, bullets, a gun magazine, and a stolen Glock gun. Nunn says they spotted the drugs immediately.
It was laying on the toilet seat when we arrived into the apartment complex, indicating to us that it was ready for disposal if we happened to come to the door and they saw us.
Marshall was out on parole after serving 70 months in prison on federal charges of cocaine possession. Nunn says this makes the 20th arrest for Marshall. Sadrina Hampton lives next door to Marshall and was about to leave the house when police found more than $4,000 in cash inside his North Jackson Street apartment.
I ran back in, when I had seen the police, it scared me, so I ran back in the house.
The commander of the Drug Task Force says the investigation is ongoing as they search for the source of the drugs.
Someone's getting the dope for them. They're buying it from somewhere.
In Milledgeville, Elaine Rackley, 41 NBC News.
Nunn says Cheely was evicted from her apartment today. She and Marshall face several drug and weapons charges, including possession of crack cocaine and marijuana with intent to distribute.